All right, guys. Well, kind of a it's kind of turning into an annual tradition here. Take you along for the first snowfall. Although this really isn't the first snowfall, but this is the first nor'easter guy. Coming down pretty good. So we got about a foot on the ground, but the wind's been whipping it up pretty good. So a lot of drifts. I imagine there'll be a lot of low spots too. But I'm going to take a stab at what's out there now, get that knocked down. I'm going to be doing our driveway and my neighbor who's in Florida, along with my parents, not dealing with snow. But I like to usually go through each year and just kind of look at some of the updates for the cab. So this cab is now like 8 years old. It's held up really well, but I just replaced the roof in it. And the reason I did is because the first time when I built this, I got to the roof and I was too excited to get it going to spend a lot of time thinking about the best material. So I ended up just doing like a 1/4 inch piece of wood and sealing that up. And it lasted the better part of 7 years, but in the last year or so, it started, you know, kind of getting shredded and falling apart. So I found this at Home Depot. This is like that AZAC trim, but they make it's a 1/4 inch sheet of the same material. So it's nice and strong, and obviously it'll never go bad from rot. So I think that's pretty nice. It's going to work out really good. I did take advantage of a sponsorship deal here on this light bar, and I should have probably put one of these on the tractor a long time ago because I do drive it down the road from now and then between my house and my neighbor's house. So that thing is pretty damn bright for the price. I'll link it in the description, but I've been very happy with that. So we threw that up there as well. No other changes. Moved the speakers around to better hit my ears. Other than that, just little stuff, but didn't really need much. Oh, and the the PTO drive shaft, which I just did a video on, rebuilding that PTO drive shaft with some DOM tubing. So we'll see how that holds up to some decent snowfall here. And with that, let's get her fired up and get her out the door.
A few moments later.
I believe this is winter number 8 for this machine, and bought it brand new. It's got about 620 some odd hours on it now, and it's just been an amazing machine for me. Just knock on wood, been pretty trouble free, and I really believe if you keep up with the maintenance on these things, they will outlast you in most cases. So as always, everybody, really do appreciate your watching. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. Any questions, comments, concerns, or criticisms, throw them down in the comment section below me. Otherwise, thank you guys very much for watching as always, and have a great day.